Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to get Roblox voice chat on mobile. So this is informative video, so don't skip any parts so that you don't miss anything. So let me show you the process to enable your voice chat on Roblox. The eligible 13 plus users must be phone number verified or ID verified to see the voice chat option in their privacy settings page. Voice chat is not enabled by default. So to enable your voice chat, follow the instructions. They are go to your account settings, then go to the privacy tab. And there under microphone and camera input tool, like use microphone to chat with voice, select your to on. The tool will turn from gray to green, indicating that voice chat has been enabled for your account. And you can toggle the selector off at any time to enable the voice chat. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.